Functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. They help organize your code by making it more efficient and easier to understand. You can define a function once and use it multiple times, saving your time and making your code easier to read. They are regularly used when writing code to increase the readability of code and to allow for reuse of common actions. Benefits of using functions. Reusability. Avoid writing the same code multiple times. Modularity. Break down complex programs into smaller, manageable parts. Organization. Easier to locate and modify specific code sections. Steps to create a function. To create a function, follow the given steps. 1. Open the Functions block. In the Make Code Arcade editor, look for the Functions block category. It usually resides at the bottom of the toolbox. 2. Create a new function. Drag and drop the function block onto your workspace. Rename the function to something descriptive. For example, if the function will handle player movement, you could name it Move Player. 3. Add code to the function. Inside the function block, add the code that defines the function's behavior. This could involve moving sprites, playing sounds, or any other actions you want to perform. 4. Call the function. To use the function, you need to call it. Drag and drop a call move player block or whatever you named your function where you want the function's code to be executed. Function arguments and parameters. A function is a block of code designed to perform a specific task. It can take inputs, process them, and return an output. Functions help to organize code, make it reusable, and improve readability. A function may accept different values in the form of parameter, a variable defined in a function's definition. It's like a placeholder for a value that will be passed to the function when it's called. Argument. The actual value passed to a function when it's called. It fills in the placeholders defined by the parameters. Let us create a project that demonstrates the use of function block for calculating area of a rectangle using parameters and arguments. Prepare the project in Make Code Arcade as shown below. Returning value from a function. The main purpose of using functions is to get rid of the repetitive block of code. So, when an operation is performed inside a function, it gives back a value, which can be used later in the program to get the results, which makes a function more useful. Let us create a project that demonstrates the use of function block for calculating volume of a cuboid using parameters and arguments and return block. Follow the given steps to make the project in Make Code Arcade. Step 1. Create a new project. Step 2. Select Make a function in the Functions category from the Blocks palette and name it Volume of Cuboid. Step 3. Name the function in the Edit Function dialog box and add 3 number as 3 different parameters. Step 4. Click Done. Step 5. Select Make a variable from the Variables category in the Blocks palette and name it Volume. Step 6. Select Set Volume to 0 block from the Variables category, then drag and drop it in the Function block. Step 7. Select 2 multiplication blocks from the Math category, then drag and drop them in the Set Volume to 0 block. Step 8. Drag and drop 3 numbers from Function block in the Multiplication blocks as shown. Step 9. Select a Splash block from the Game category, then drag and drop it below Set Volume to 0 block. Step 10. Edit the slash block with volume of cuboid is. Step 11. Select Return block from the Functions category, then drag and drop it below Splash block. Step 12. Select Volume from Variables category, then drag and drop it in the Return block as shown. Step 13. Select Set Volume to 0 block, then drag and drop in the Start block. Step 14. Select Call Volume of Cuboid block from the Functions category, then drag and drop below Set volume to 0 block in the On Start block as shown. Step 15. Select Splash block from the game category, then drag and drop below the Call Volume of Cuboid block. Step 16. Select Volume from the Variable category, then drag and drop in the Splash block below the Call Volume of Cuboid block. Step 17. Change the values in the Call Volume of Cuboid block and click on Launch in Full Screen button to view the output in the simulator. Following shows the output in the simulator.